Deoxygenated blood comes to the heart via the inferior and superior vena cava and flows to the right atrium, right ventricle, then leaves the heart via the pulmonary artery and travels to the lungs where it picks up oxygen. Then blood flows back to the heart via the pulmonary vein to the left atrium, left ventricle, and throughout the body via the aorta. You might not know that there are 4 valves in the heart that open and close to move blood from one area to another, and each valve prevents blood backflow. The right side of the heart has the tricuspid valve, and the left side of the heart has the mitral valve. Tricuspid and mitral valves are fun words to say. Plastic tooling can also use valves to meter plastics into molding cavities. Welcome back to another episode of Polymer E-Club's Ask Dr. Paul. Today we are going to highlight polymer design. So when your boss talks about using valve gates in injection molding tooling, what do you need to know? A mold gate is the connection between the runner and the molded part as shown in the figure. There are a handful of gate types that create parts after manual or automatic trimming of the sprue and runner from the part. For manual trim, sprue, runners, and parts drop out of the tool and the part is separated from the runner post-processing. If a part has 2 gates that receive polymer, the cooling flow fronts will meet in the middle and create a weld line that could have cosmetic and functional shortcomings. A hot runner mold system insulates the sprue and runner so only parts drop out of the tool. A valve gate is part of the hot runner system and has the ability to turn polymer flow on and off through use of a needle valve. Let's explain how a sequential 3-valve gate system works. As a polymer flows from gate 1 and approaches gate 2 will open and both flow fronts will merge in the molten state and we do not form weld lines. As the flow fronts meet gate 3, it opens and the molten polymer continues without creating unsightly weld lines and gate vestiges. Valve gates are a great choice for a gate type when high volumes without weld lines is important. Valve gates are more expensive but provide superior molding control when cosmetic parts are being manufactured. Knowing the basics of how valve gates are beneficial in injection molding tooling, that's working knowledge. Remember to like, subscribe, turn on notification, and even share if you appreciate the content. You can visit our website to learn more about our upcoming polymer design course. I'm Paul Nash for Polymer E-Club's Ask Dr. Paul. Thanks for watching.